What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most prestigious and famous and expensive wine, Grand Cru wine from the Burgundy wine region of France. Yes, we are in Bourgogne, around the village and appellation of Chambolle Musigny, in the Cote de Nuits, some of the best areas for making Pinot Noir wines in the world, and of course in Burgundy itself. We are close to the famous appellations of Vosne Romanée, Nuits Saint-Georges and Vougeraie, Chambertin, but yes, we are in Chambolle Musigny. This is a very small vineyard site, Grand Cru site, that only covers about 10 hectares or 25 acres, with a very limestone-rich, chalky soil, making for extremely refined Pinot Noir wines. Being so refined and so rare, those wines are some of the most expensive wines in the world, including the one made by Domaine Leroy. Musigny is arguably sometimes one of the most demanded and expensive wine in the world. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this Grand Cru site correctly with the typical French pronunciation? Musigny. Musigny. Musigny Grand Cru Pinot Noir wines. If you want to learn more about all of the 33 Grand Cru vineyards in Burgundy, yes, there's only 33. It's quite a lot, but it's not that many. Here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.